Do you remember this jar? 2 weeks ago, I boiled this water completely. No microbes and nothing was alive. Today, we are opening it, and what I found inside honestly surprised me. So, this is my microbial growth jar. My idea was simple. I started with the sterilized water and let nature slowly take over. No chemicals were used, no special nutrients, and just time was used. I am now taking a small drop of from the jar and placing it on a clean glass slide. We will cover it gently and take it straight under the microscope. Now look at this. What you are seeing here is something that looks like a tiny root, almost like a plant structure. At first I thought it might actually be a piece of root, but when I zoomed in, I noticed something interesting. These look like individual cells arranged in a chain, are not actual plant tissue. This is most likely some kind of filamentous microorganism. It could be fungal hyphae or a chain of bacteria that have grown together into this root like structure. The nature is amazing. Even in plain boiled water, life finds a way. And now, look closely. See those tiny moving dots? These are ciliates, microscopic organisms that move using tiny hair-like structure called cilia. They weren't here at the beginning. They appeared only after about 2 weeks, which shows how microbial ecosystems slowly develop over time. This is why I love these experiments. You don't need a lab or expensive equipment, just curiosity and patience. Every jar becomes a tiny universe, and you never know what you will discover. If you are a student, a teacher, or just someone curious about life like me, this is a beautiful way to understand how microorganisms grow, interact, and form structures, all invisible to the naked eye. I would love for you to try this experiment at home too. Just boil water, let it cool, store in a clean jar, and observe it after a week or two. Then come back and tell me what you found. If this surprised you as much as it surprised me, please hit the like button. Share this with someone who loves science and drop a comment below about what you think this structure might be. And don't forget to subscribe for more microscope experiments like this. And I'll see you in the next one.